Are you excited to discover the potential of AI tools that could help you achieve earnings of over $1,000 daily in your online ventures? In this comprehensive video, we'll introduce you to 5 exceptional AI tools that are poised to revolutionize the way you create content and supercharge your online presence. Stay with us until the end, because we've got some priceless insights to share. Number 1. Generated photos. Let's kick things off with generated photos. This cutting-edge AI tool is a game changer in the world of content creation. It has a remarkable ability to generate entirely original human faces and avatars. As a business owner, you're likely aware that visuals play a pivotal role in online marketing. What's fascinating about this tool is its customization capabilities. You can choose gender, age, emotional expressions, and even fine details like skin tone, hair color, and glasses. It's no wonder that top-tier companies are tapping into this AI platform to secure authentic-looking faces for their web-based promotional campaigns. This not only saves them substantial costs compared to traditional modeling agencies, but also opens up endless possibilities. From landing pages to marketing campaigns, the potential of generated photos is truly remarkable. Number 2. Writer.me. Next is Writer.me, your AI-powered writing helper. Making content is a key part of doing well online, and this tool can help you make your content even better. You can use it to help you with many types of writing, from emails to blog posts. Its versatility knows no bounds, and it's a time and money saver for both businesses and individuals. I've personally experienced its benefits, using Writer.me to create engaging social media captions and captivating website content. Whether you're just starting in the world of content creation or a seasoned professional, Writer.me simplifies the process and enhances your results, making your content stand out. Number 3. Play HD. Play HD is more than just another text-to-speech tool. It's a genuine game changer. This incredible software harnesses the power of AI to transform your text into lifelike, human-sounding speech. When you input your text, it performs its magic, creating an astonishingly realistic speech. This is a significant breakthrough in the realm of text-to-speech technology because the voices it generates are of the highest quality. The beauty of Play HD lies in its versatility. It's not limited to a single purpose. You can put it to work across various aspects of your business. Need engaging voiceovers for your YouTube channel? Play HD has you covered. Want to add an audio dimension to your blog content? It excels in this department too. It can even make the voices in your sales videos on websites sound incredibly authentic, blurring the line between human and AI voices. What truly sets Play HD apart is its remarkable voice quality. It's so good that distinguishing between human and AI voices becomes a real challenge. Getting started with Play HD is a walk in the park. All it takes is a simple click on Try for Free, and you can sign in using your Google account or email. The user-friendly dashboard ensures you can quickly create top-notch audio content for your various projects. But what's even more exciting is how seamlessly Play HD integrates with other AI tools. It complements your entire content creation process, effectively elevating your work to a professional level. It's like having a talented voice actor available whenever you need one. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer in the world of content creation, Play HD is your ticket to audio content that captivates your audience and leaves them wondering if it's AI or a real person speaking. Number 4. InVideo. InVideo, found at invideo.io, is a super cool tool that turns your written words into money-making videos. It's not just for tech wizards, it's easy for everyone. You don't need to be a video expert to use it. InVideo makes creating videos a breeze, whether you want to make content for your blog on YouTube or sell it online. These days, everyone wants video content, and InVideo helps you deliver it with style. InVideo comes with all sorts of things to jazz up your videos, cool templates, smooth transitions, effects, and more. It's like having a bag of tricks to make your videos look pro. And guess what? You can get the premium version with all the goodies at a discount. So whether you go for the freebie or the premium deal, InVideo is a must-try if you want to impress with your videos. It's easy for everyone to use, not just tech-savvy people, thanks to its simple design. The process of creating videos is no longer reserved for experts. InVideo levels levels the playing field, offering a vast array of templates, seamless transitions, eye-catching effects, and much more. In this age of digital content, video reigns supreme, and InVideo ensures you don't just meet the expectations, but exceed them in style. And here's the best part. You can unlock all these fantastic features at a discounted rate by opting for the premium version. So whether you decide to go with the free version or the premium one, InVideo is your ultimate choice to dazzle your audience with impressive videos. Number 5. Grammarly. Last but not least, we have Grammarly, which you can find at Grammarly.com. It's a famous AI tool designed to help you write better on the internet. It's like a superhero for people who don't speak English as their first language, or anyone who wants their writing to be super clean and error-free. Grammarly is like having a smart friend right in your web browser. It watches out for your spelling, grammar, and sentence structure in real time. This is awesome, especially for students, pros, and businesses. It makes sure your writing is top-notch and saves you time by catching mistakes. So whether English is your first or second language, Grammarly can really level up your writing. With just a click, Grammarly spots mistakes and gives you tips on how to fix them. It hunts down spelling errors, grammar blunders, and even suggests ways to make your writing clearer and smoother. Grammarly's AI powers are seriously impressive. It catches tiny errors that you might miss if you were proofreading manually. This tool keeps your writing professional and polished, which is super important for impressing your readers. You can start with the free version, which has the basics, or go to the premium version if you need more advanced help and different writing styles. So, whether you're a student or a pro, or just want to write better, Grammarly is a friend you'll want by your side. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content on how to maximize these AI tools in your online activities, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.